Welcome to Yalham Farm. We're in the timeless landscape of the beautiful Blackdown Hills. In this super setting, this 5-bedroom period property has about 5.3 acres of land. We're only 2.5 miles from the village of Churchingford. It's a super home that really offers versatile accommodation that would work well for families or couples. But let's have a good look around. You know, a favourite saying of mine is the heart of the home is the kitchen, and it's no exception here. We have a beautiful space, ideal for entertaining, well equipped for all your cooking needs. It's got a lovely feel of character, but also leading through we have the snug with another wood burner, and that leads to the conservatory where we have a telescope for stargazing, because of course up on the Blackdown Hills we don't really have to think or worry too much about light pollution. It just again sows that seed of lifestyle that you enjoy at a property like this. You know, there is so much to enjoy up here. No shortage of wildlife, which is no surprise. Peace and tranquility. We've also got some really useful outbuildings. We've got a triple bay carport. We have some stables, a small turnout yard, a little tractor shed, and the formal gardens that just maximise this stunning setting. And for me, what really caps it all off, you're not completely isolated. We've got some neighbours close by, and of course the village of Churchingford, 2.5 miles away. This is really one you don't want to miss. Give us a call, 01823 423 500.